Hey, what's up YouTube? I haven't posted in a while, so figured I'd just do a quick unedited video because I won't ever have time, but just installed some rock lights on my Ranger. Just gonna go over it real quick. It's a little pain in the ass. I hate electrical, so but these are my switches right here. I'll add some work lights later, but the fuse box on these is under the dash. That's all my fancy wiring in there. But pretty much from there, you got positive and negative going over here to the terminal block. And then for the rock lights, I got one wire going out to the right side and one wire going out to the left side. And you can see it just drops down in there. So going over to the wheel well, I don't know if that'll be too bright. You can see where it comes out right there. Fancy connector. I just bolted it up right into the headlight. And then I put a splice. And I just routed that wire right back under there. All the way down. And then it comes up under here, zip tied all that. Temporary bolt onto the skid plate. We'll see how long that lasts. I'll probably put it inside in here later. And then continues on up. Same wire. And it comes up the side. You can see the red wire there. Comes up here. And run this wire there, and that's a temporary zip tied there. I'll eventually end up extending those wires and putting it on the bed, and that's just because on this side, this one's right next to the exhaust, so we'll see if it makes it through the weekend. It's a cheap $40 kit off Amazon. See, that one just runs same as the other side. Ran it up under there, tuck the wires in, there's that one, comes up, and that's it. But I just wanted to do that quick video. I don't know if there's a lot of rock light installs on the internet or not. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot, I got two switches. The other one, it's ready. There it is. All I gotta do is hook up my lights to there. That's the power, and that'll be grounded out. All my grounds, oh, you can't see what I do not run all the ground wires back to one point. What I do is I just tap into the frame. I don't know if that's bad or not, but you can see this one's tapped right there. There's a light, there's a frame. This bottom one tapped right there. It's the frame. And then for the back one, oh, there it is right there. And drilled into the frame there, and those are all my grounds. Concept is easy, it's just takes a little bit of time. I think it's a pain in the ass. Do a quick shut the garage. Sweet. So that's what it looks like. Like I said, that back one will probably look better up here on the bed. You'll get more light out of it. Ah, damn it, I got the flash on. So here's what it looks like without the flash. That's the back. Like I said, it's a little dark. Moving that light to the bed will probably light up all this area. Plenty of light on the bottom and up front. So those are my rock lights. I'll drop a link in the description if you want to check them out. 6 peak 6-piece Amazon special. I think it was like $42.99 or something. I don't know. Thanks for watching, guys.